Good afternoon, my dear students. Today let us continue the fifth chapter, files and folders. We already finished the what is the definition of file, file name, extension, file icons, folders, subfolders, and the main part of the file explorer windows, and viewing the content of file or folder and how to select file and folder in the previous classes. And today we discuss about how to create a new folder. Which steps are needed to create a new folder? For that purpose, first click on the navigation pane and click the folder which you want to create a new folder. Then click on the home tab in the new group and click new folder. When you click on the new folder, a folder appears in the content pane with a temporary name. If you want to change the name, type a name for the folder and press enter key. And the next one, how to create a new file. We can already create a folder, and then how to create a new file. For create a new file, in the navigation pane, click the folder which you want to create new file. Again, click on home tab in the new group and click new item. We get a list of various file types, and from it we select the required type of file and type a name for the file, and the file is created. If you want to take Word file, you click on the Word file icon. We create that Word file. Is it clear? And the next step, how to rename a file or folder. We can change the name of existing file or folder. For that purpose, in the content pane, click the file or folder want to rename. Again, click on the home tab in the organize group and click rename. And type a name and press enter key. Next, how to copy a file or folder. We can copy file or folder to make its a duplicate copy or at another location. To copy a file or folder, open the location that containing the file or folder want to copy. Then click the file or folder want to copy. Click on the home tab in the clipboard and click copy button. Open the location where want to copy the selected file, and again click on the home tab in the clipboard group and click paste button. And copy of the file appears in the new location also. Next one, how to move a file or folder. Moving a file from one place to another. For that purpose, we open the location that containing the file or folder. Then select the file and click on the home tab in the clipboard group and click cut. Cut the file from that place. And open the location where we want to move the selected file. Again click on the home tab in the clipboard group and click paste. What happened? The file or folder appears in the new location. Is it clear? And then how to delete a file or folder. We can delete a file or folder which has no use or use. So for that purpose, we click on the location that containing the file and select the file. From the home tab in the organize group, click down arrow and click on the delete button. Now we get a list of options. Click recycle. Recycle for using to delete a file, and it is sent to the recycle bin. And the another option, permanently delete. This option delete a file or folder permanently from the computer, and the selected file is deleted. We can also delete a file or folder by selecting the file or folder and press delete key on the keyboard. Otherwise, we use shift plus delete key on the keyboard. That is used to delete the file permanently from the computer. Okay. And after deleting the file and folder, we wish to restore the file from the recycle bin, and which steps are needed. That is the next one, restoring a deleted file or folder. To restore a file or folder, double click recycle bin to open. Then In the contain pane, click the file want to restore, and click on the manage tab in the restore group, and click restore the selected item. The selected file or folder disappear from the recycle bin and restored in its original location. Okay. Then next one, changing the view in File Explorer. Changing the view. We can configure the window, display the content in of a folder by changing the file view. It enables a larger or smaller icons or details. And then how to change a file view. First, open the folder containing the file. Then click on the view tab in the layout group and click the view. We get various views: extra, large icon, median icon, small icons, list, details, tiles and content. And we select the required type of type from each one. What happened? It changes the file view. Okay, is it clear? So the chapter is over. Dear students, after watching the video, you should write the notes in your notebook and also read the chapter in textbook. Okay students, thank you.